Hey guys, today we're going to do brake pads on an F350. It's virtually the same for a truck, a car, any of them pretty much. They're all about the same. So yeah, let's jump into it. First, we're going to need to jack up the truck. It's about the same for a truck or a car. Brake pads, brake pads. All pretty much identical. Just find a good spot. Jack it up until your tire's not touching. I usually go like an inch or so. That's about enough. Just in case it decides to bleed off. My jacks always bleed off. Then it's safer anyway. Okay, next, grab impacts. My battery's charging for my DeWalt. And I think this one's 15/16. Nope. 7/8. Perfect. So then you just pull the tire off. We're just doing brake pads because the rotors are pretty good. They're nice and smooth. You just want to feel them, make sure they're nice and smooth, both sides. If they're too worn, like this part, if it gets really skinny, you want to replace them. And if they are rough, like grooved, you can feel big grooves in them, then you'll want to either lay them down or put new rotors on it. So that's about it for the rotor. We'll just be pulling these two bolts out, one right here and then another one right here, just to pull this part of your brake off. Yeah, this bolt was pretty close to being stripped out, so. Going the wrong freaking way. There we go. Where's my wobbly at? Anyway, top bolt. Bottom bolt. Then a nice little pry bar. Sometimes they get wiggled in there pretty damn tight. There you go. And I just usually set it on the leaf spring, or get a block of wood underneath it or something to hold it up so it's not hanging there free. And then your brakes are just clamped on there. This one fell off.
Do you want to show them what that brake looks like? That bad brake?
Oh.
Thanks, Aspen.
They're not that bad yet. They still have some life left in them. But I changed to the other side because the other side was worn down almost completely. So might as well put them both on. Okay, so next, putting them back together. These clips, every clip's different for almost every year truck and or every car. But this one, he slides in the top and slap that bad booger in there like so. Where's the other brake pad at? Right here. And this side, supposed to have a clip, but it was not on the truck, and I need to get another one. But I need my truck, so I'm gonna slap it together.
Better get going, guys.
Next,
See you later. See you done?
gotta push the pistons back in on the master cylinder, or not master cylinder, but caliper. I need one of those old brake pads.
Sorry.
Anyhow, I just slap her on there like so. Squeeze it.
You have one of those, Daddy.
Does he really believe?
Yeah, he
What's
toy.
that?
Do Bonnie have a toy of these?
Really?
Yeah, for us.
Aspen, get out of there, girl.
Daddy.
That's a nice bolt. Can I have it? Thank you.
Daddy.
That's probably good.
Aspen, let's get out of there, girl. Come on.
Oh, can I have it? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, watch out. Oh, watch your toes. Can I have that? Good job. Come on. Come on, let's get out of there. And I'm going to smash that bolt in there, like you should smash the subscribe button. For all kinds of mechanical ways from rednecks. Okay, watch out, girls. Need that impact. About 110 foot-pounds right there. I usually just throw the ratchet on there. Give her a nice, make sure she's nice and snug. Oh yeah. Perfect. Then throw the wheel back on there. It's your toast. Hey, I need that chair back.
You don't have to blade the brakes or anything as long as you don't disconnect the brake lines. So everything should be ready to go. Your brakes will be a little spongy at first.
Pick up the jack. Lower the truck. I always double check with a torque wrench. These are torqued at 120. I don't know what. All the cars are at, but my truck is 120. Come on. Okay, we're done. We're done. That's it, guys. Brake pads. Easy as that. If you like it, please like, follow, subscribe.
Ready to go?
You want to go home? Or do you want to fix the other truck?
No, it's getting late.
Getting late? Oh, it's not that late.
Yeah, right. Mama did that late.